Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to your social studies class. So last week we studied about the globe. I hope you remember. Let's have a quick review. A globe is a small model of our planet Earth, and we have 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay? This week we are going to study about maps and the oceans. First, let's have a look at what a map is.
Hello, friends. Today we'll learn about maps. Haha, you're doing your morning workout here in the park. See this park map? It tells you where you've been, where you are, and where you're going. A map is an illustration of an area such as a city, a country, or a continent showing its main features. It's a drawing that gives special clues about an area. The word map is originated from the Latin word mappa. That means a paper or napkin. These were the materials the earliest maps of the world were drawn on. The sun rises in the east. Stretch out your arms. Your left hand is now pointing east. Right hand is pointing west. North is at the top and south towards the bottom. This is the map of the world. North is at the top, south at the bottom. This is east, and this part is facing west. These are called the cardinal directions. You can easily see which country or continent is in which direction. Different places are shown with different colors, so we can easily locate a particular continent. Usually, countries are shown by dots and capitals with a star. There are many types of maps. General reference map. These are simple maps showing important physical features, both natural and man-made, in an area. For example, see this road map? It shows the roads boldly and using road widths and colors to distinguish between major and minor roads. Can you show the map from this park to your home? This road map is an example of general reference map. So many places are there on the way. See, there's a school, a hotel, a restaurant, and so many other places.
Map. Let's see. Wow! How to use a map? Map. Map. It's a map. What's this? Compass rose. Compass rose. North. South. East. West. It's a compass rose. Ah, what about this? Scale. Scale. It's a scale. What about this? Map key. Map key. It's a map key.
Now let's have a look at all the oceans. Remember, we have 5 oceans.
The oceans. Listen. Listen to the ocean. We love to watch and listen to the ocean. The oceans of the world are vast. They are humongous. Look at our Earth. Most of our Earth is covered with water. In fact, over 72% of the Earth is covered with water called oceans and seas. The oceans are very salty. You cannot drink ocean water. But you can swim in the ocean, scuba dive in the ocean, and explore the ocean. Let's explore the oceans of the world together. There are 5 major oceans of the world, and although these oceans are all connected, they each have a different name. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, also called the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Let's learn a little bit about them in order of their size. The largest ocean is called the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is massive. Beginning from the coasts of Asia and Australia and reaching way over to North and South America, and then up to the north where it meets the Arctic Ocean, and way down to the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean takes in a big chunk of the earth. You'll find the islands of Polynesia in the Pacific, and 1,000 other islands scattered throughout the South Pacific. The next largest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean. Although the Atlantic is number 2, it is gigantic. Like the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean also reaches north to the Arctic Ocean and down to the Southern Ocean and borders North and South America. And then it reaches far across over to Europe and Africa. Over the thousands of years, many thousands of ships have crossed the Atlantic. Ocean number 3, the Indian Ocean. The boundaries of the Indian Ocean are Africa, Southern Asia, Australia, and the Southern Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the largest breeding ground for the humpback whale. Let's consider the Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, which waters encompasses the southern continent of Antarctica and touches 3 oceans of the world, the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. The world's largest penguin species, the emperor penguin, live on the ice of the Southern Ocean. Did I say ice? Yes, ice! The Southern Ocean is cold. It's the coldest ocean because of the sheet of ice that covers Antarctica, and it's cold all the time. This brings us to our last named ocean. It surrounds and covers the North Pole, where there is no land but only ice and ocean water, and this ocean is named the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean may be the smallest of our oceans, but it's not small. It is very, very large, and during the warmer months, some of the ice melts and becomes ocean water, and during colder months, the water freezes and becomes ice. These are the 5 oceans of the world. As you look out over these waters of the ocean, you may think, I can't see anything over the water, and I can't see under the surface. There must be nothing there. And you may think nothing is going on down there. But the truth is, a lot is going on in the ocean. Living things are in the ocean. Hundreds of thousands of species of animals and plants are in the oceans of the world. From the coldest waters of the ocean to the warmest, many varieties of animals make the oceans their home. From the tiny krill to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. They make their home in the oceans. Plants and animals rely on healthy, clean seawater to survive and thrive. I don't think a blue whale would walk very easily on land. Do you? Fish of every shape and size and color. And sharks! They are down there. What do you think you'll find on the ocean floor? If you say, gardens of spectacular coral reefs which grow very slowly, and plants and sponges that grow and provide protection for smaller critters, well, you'd be right. And don't forget that mammals like dolphins and whales, walrus, seals, and sea lions, they all depend on the ocean, and also a vast variety of birds, including penguins and albatross and the fascinating pelican. They also live on and around the oceans of the world. All these wonderful creatures, big and small, and many others require clean and healthy waters of the ocean to live. But the oceans are in trouble. These oceans we've learned about are becoming more and more polluted with garbage. Plastics and paper and garbage we carelessly throw away are making its way to the ocean and becoming huge floating islands of trash, wreaking havoc and causing problems for our animal friends down there. Can anybody help protect the oceans from being the dumping ground of the world? Can you? We must all do our part to protect these precious waters of the world. Raise your hands if you're going to be a friend of the ocean and the billions of our living friends in the ocean. I'm raising my hand right now. Are you?
Now, if you have trouble remembering the names of these oceans, we can sing a little song which will help you remember. So here's the song and sing with me. So it goes like this. There are five oceans, oceans, Pacific and Atlantic, Indian and Arctic, southern too. So I hope that song helps you remember the names of the 5 oceans. That was our lesson for today. I will see you tonight in our Zoom class. Goodbye.